Welcome. In this video, I will explain step by step how to add playlists inside the BabPlayer app, so you can easily watch live TV channels, movie and series. Because we will download the application, we found it empty without any content. So first I will explain to you what the BabPlayer application is. What is BabPlayer? BabPlayer is a media player only that lets you play channels and content on your TV or phone. It does not come with an automatic subscription and it does not provide channels or movie by itself. Play channels and content on your TV or phone. What do you need to watch channels, movie and series on BabPlayer? To use BabPlayer properly, you need to add or buy a playlist and enter it inside the app to display the content. Playlists usually come in one of these formats: M3U link, extreme codes, username plus password plus service URL. Pay attention. Before purchasing any subscription, you should first be aware the subscription vary. There are high quality subscriptions and there are subscriptions that are not good. Example of subscription tips: there is a silver package subscription with less content, a gold package with high quality content, and also diamond package.